tell anyone. This simple Jamb hack I'm going to teach you in this video. Are you a 2026 Jambite? In this video, I'll be revealing what will not just help you to prepare for Jamb, but will guide you even in the exam hall to come out with the best score. I'm a medicine and surgery student, and at the same time, I'm a professional tutor. I've helped so many Jambites over the years gain admission into prestigious institutions and courses in the country. So if you're watching this video, you're in the right path. The truth is that many students will still fail Jamb even after preparing hard, even after burning midnight candles and solving past questions from 1978 to 2025. They will still fail, not because they're not intelligent, but because they fail to implement this one skill I'll be revealing in this video. And that one skill is the ability to solve questions accurately with speed. Everybody in the Jamb hall may have different backgrounds, different languages, different faces, different teachers. They might have prepared with different strategies, but there is one thing that is constant for all of them, and that is the time frame. Every candidate, both those that will score 250 plus and those that will score 250, they have the same currency, and that is 2 hours. And how you actually treat with these 2 hours will determine your score. Sharing this feels so illegal, but I'm going to take the risk. So in order to compensate me, just hit the subscription button. It doesn't hurt. So this takes us to the big question. How do you actually buy time in the Jamb hall? We are going to explore 4 strategies. You need to know your strength in the 4 subjects and must be able to read them. For instance, as a science student, you know you'll be taking biology, physics, chemistry, and English language. Which one do you find more easier? Then you need to start with that so that you actually be fast with solving it so that you can go to more difficult and complex subjects. For instance, using myself as a case study, biology and English language were the easiest for me. So I'm going to start with English language because it has more questions. It has about 60 questions and it is way simpler. So I'm going to start solving English. Then I'll put physics and chemistry in the middle because they have calculations, and I'll put biology last because it is also simple for me. So why I actually put physics and chemistry in the middle is to escape the anxiety trap. So many students start with physics and you are solving something, it's not clicking, and you are confused. You are counting the ceiling, you are looking up and down because you're already confused. No, you should not fall into this trap. So what you actually do is to start with English. You know the novel so well. Start with synonyms and antonyms. You are very familiar with them. So start with English, solve the 60 questions, then put chemistry and physics in the middle, then solve biology last. Remember, our goal is to make you comfortable and at ease in the exam hall, even while you are being intentional. Point number 4, be intentional throughout the whole exam. See, talking to your neighbor, discussing answers to questions with your neighbor, these are time killers. Looking at the ceilings, counting the ceilings, looking at the exam hall, these are time killers. You need to focus head on what you are solving and just finish it. Okay, so you have to be very intentional. Don't allow your intentionality to leak. So be very intentional in the exam hall. Now, point number 3. Use the 25, 25, 25, 20, 25 strategy. Use the 25, 25, 25, 20, 25 strategy. Now look at what this means. The first 25 minutes will be used for English language because it has more questions, 60 questions, and is way simpler. You are going to use the next 25 minutes for physics and chemistry because they have calculations. Then you are now going to use the 20 minutes for biology because it is very simple. Then you're now going to use the last 25 minutes for a revision to review the things that you have solved. All right, in this way you see that you are training yourself to be time conscious in the exam hall. So while going to the Jamb hall, wear a watch so that you can time yourself, or you can use the timer on the screen. Now for an accident, you can also share this time across your 4 subjects and also bring out another 25 minutes for you to review the things that you have solved. If you do this, I bet you the 2 hours that you are given will be more than enough for you. And the last point, which is point 1, use the biceps hack. Let me take you to anatomy. Now the biceps brachii is a muscle in the upper limb. Alright, this muscle can be trained. If you train it, it becomes very big. You can see those who gym, you can see that this place, their trapezius is very big, and this place is very big. It's because they have trained this muscle over time. The same way, you cannot actually maximize time in the exam hall if you have not trained yourself to actually solve English language in 25 minutes. You cannot just do magic in the exam hall. You are not Merlin. So I will advise you to start training your brain to understand solving questions accurately this big, and implement this with past questions. Whenever you are solving past questions, get a timer. Since we plan to solve English language in 25 minutes, set your timer to 25 minutes and do it over and over again. While solving biology, put your timer to 20 minutes and do it over and over again. While solving calculational subjects like maths, chemistry, physics, use your timer, set it to 25 minutes and do it over and over again. Over time, your brain begins to understand that this is what we do, and guess what, even in the exam hall, you'll be able to implement it. When you implement these 4 strategies, you begin to solve questions with the speed of light, just like a calculator, and guess what, 350 plus is inevitable. In my next video, I will teach you how to hack your next Jamb examination using past. So if you don't want to miss out, subscribe to this channel now. Good luck.